Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be taking these ugly chairs and cleaning them up and reupholstering the seat covers for my daughter to use with her kitchen table. And so this video is in participation with Heidi Sonboul and Nicole over at Desert DIY, and they asked us to upcycle an item that you pick up from the thrift store or secondhand store that you would love to have, but it's not in the condition you want it. So you go ahead and update it to your liking for your home. It's called the Ugly Duckling Challenge, and I thought it was a great challenge because I'm always updating items because my channel focuses on saving money. So what I'm doing right here is cleaning all the chairs. As you can see, I've already updated one of the chairs down there on my far left, and the before picture is this one right here on the right with the ugly brownish looking seat cover. So I paid $4.99 for each chair, and this is the before. So I'm going to finish cleaning these chairs and show you how I update the seats. So stay tuned. You how I cover chairs instead of going through all the trouble taking all this fabric off. I'm gonna use this fabric is very thick, so it will add as an extra cushion. So I paid $2.99 for this curtain that I'm gonna cut down and cover the chairs with. Normally I would wash whatever fabric I've gotten from the Dollar Tree. I mean, not the Dollar Tree, the thrift store. But in this video, I will admit I did not wash it. But it's okay. Can't do everything right. So that's what my channel is about, showing you the mistakes I make and the good things I do, because this is real life. None of us do everything right. So first thing I do is take the corners. I pull them at a 45-degree angle. I take my corners and staple them down. And on my wish list is a power stapler, because this was a headache here. I'm out of staples, so I gotta do my corners first at an angle. I fill my staple gun back up with staples. So I do the corners at opposite ends, pulling it real tight. And I like to get my staples close to the edge because I'm going to cut all that excess fabric off. So I'm just going to do the other corners, all 4 corners first. Because even though it's a DIY, like I said, I like for my DIYs to still look like they're not DIYs. So yeah, I like my staple to be at the end, and then I just pull the fabric around to make sure there aren't any seams. So in order for it to be seamless, I usually gather the fabric at the corner real tight. But you'll see where I'll still have a pleat and I have to go back and redo it. So this video is just showing you there are other options. If you're, financially strapped, you can go to the thrift store if you don't mind going to the thrift store. Or you can just wait till your furniture goes on sale. So I'm teaching my daughter that. So later on, when she gets her finances together, she can go and purchase the table that she likes, but in the meanwhile, she'll still have somewhere to sit and eat dinner, and for her and her kids. Because I think you appreciate things more when you struggle. That's just my own personal opinion. That's just from my own experience. See that gather right there? I'm gonna pull that out because I don't want that. I'm gonna redo it. nice and taut or tight as you call it. I'm just gonna finish stapling the fabric around, doing the same thing on all 4 sides. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I am Mrs Vee, and in this video, and like many of my other videos, I show you ways to save money. I show you other alternatives. I think outside the box, because I have other things that I'm doing with my money, like paying down debt. So things like a kitchen table and chairs, I would go to the thrift store until I finish paying off my debt, and then after I finish with my debt, I go get the table and chairs that I want. So you have to prioritize. So that's the purpose of me making this video, just show you that there are other ways that you can get a dinette set, a nice dinette set, until you can afford the one that you really want. So they always have this little saying, fake it until you make it. I hate that saying, because I don't like anything fake, but I'm going to coin me a statement, DIY it until you can buy it. How about that? Claim that phrase. DIY it until you can buy it. Hey, I like that. DIY it until you can buy it. DIY it until you can buy it. DIY it until you can buy it. Do y'all see that I'm excited? Yes, DIY it until you can buy it. It's gonna be my little slogan when I do DIY videos. Do this until I get this just right. The table and chair, this is a nice table. It's nice and heavy. Me and my husband had to put the base of it to the on top. I had to screw the base of it to the top, because when they had it on the side of the road, it was in 2 pieces. So this is the table that I picked up for free. Yes, look at the grain in that wood. So yes. So everything is all clean and disinfected. I just sprayed Lysol on everything, especially since I didn't wash the fabric. But this is it. This is Miss V. I'm going to conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to always show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need, like this, so you can get some of the things you want, like that, in the future. So give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.